Hi, welcome to Ladies Island Middle School. I'm Diana.
And I'm Jaden.
We are 8th graders at Ladies Island Middle School.
And we're curating this virtual tour of our school
for our students that will be joining our Cougar family
and have not had a chance to check out our amazing school campus yet.
This is the front entrance of the school, and this is where the car riders are dropped off and picked up each day.
Before we enter the building, let's say hi to our principal. Hi, Dr. Brown.
Hi, Jaden. Hi, Diana.
Dr. Brown, can you tell us what makes Ladies Island Middle School the best place to be?
Sure, Diana. Ladies Island Middle School is the best middle school in Beaufort County, South Carolina, because we have the best teachers, the best learning environment, and the best education. We will be offering a brand new pre-med academy for next year where our students will learn all about the amazing careers and professions in the medical field. We are so excited. We can't wait for all of our students to participate and enjoy.
Thanks, Dr. Brown. The pre-med academy sounds awesome. Now let's go inside.
When you enter the front office, you will be greeted by Miss Floyd. She can help you direct you and your families where you need to go. She is the best.
Good morning, and thank you for calling Ladies Island Middle School. How may I help you?
Our school has 3 different courtyard areas. This is the first courtyard where our 8th grade classes are held. The 6th and 7th grade classes are toward the back of the building.
Here is our bookkeeper's office. You will need to see her to make any payments during the year. There is a $20 fee for your school tablet, and you will be able to take it home with you every day.
Now we are at our nurse's office. Our school nurse is Ms. Williams. You will need a pass from your teacher to see her if you're not feeling well.
Let's head into our guidance department. Hello, Miss Howell. What are you doing today?
Hi, Diana. I am actually working on getting things ready for our rising 6th graders to start choosing their classes for next year.
The guidance department houses our secretary, 2 school counselors, our social worker, and our data specialist. All of these ladies are always ready to help you with just about anything you might need.
Hey, Diana, don't forget to tell them about the ceiling tiles.
Oh yeah, one really cool thing you will find in the guidance office are the decorated ceiling tiles. You will get to decorate one if you make all A's on all of your report cards in middle school.
Here we are in the media center. This is Miss Alba, and she is here for us to check out books. The Cougar Track News show is also recorded in here, and it looks like Jocelyn is getting ready for the new show.
Welcome back to the state and local news segment. Here are some things that are going on in South Carolina.
This is our cafeteria where we have breakfast and lunch every day. Everyone says that middle school lunches are way better than elementary school lunches because you have choices.
If you have an older brother and sister or a friend that goes to Ladies Island Middle School, then you probably heard of them talking about the different pods in each grade. Let's go check out one of our 6th grade pods.
Speaking of 6th graders, here are 2 of our 6th graders right now. Hi Riley, hi Rashawn. Can you tell us what is your favorite thing about 6th grade?
My favorite thing about 6th grade is general music with Mr. Peterson because I like to play the trombone.
You know what to do.
My favorite thing about 6th grade is how nice the teachers are, and I like being able to choose my academic art classes.
So my favorite thing about 6th grade was being able to get new teachers for every single subject. Because at my other school, we only had one teacher, and different teachers can help you with new things. So it was amazing having new teachers.
You know what, Diana? I like making new friends from different elementary schools.
The gym at Ladies Island Middle School is where our PE classes are held.
We also have school assemblies like pet rallies and awards ceremonies in the gym.
Our volleyball and basketball teams also play their home games in the gym.
You can start participating in sports in 7th grade as long as your grades are good.
We have a lot of different sports you can play in 7th and 8th grade, like football, volleyball, basketball, baseball, softball, track, soccer, wrestling, and cheerleading.
We also have a weight room where our athletes work out and get in shape. We were decided to get new equipment this year.
We have lots of academic art classes you can take in middle school. You probably call these your specials in elementary school. We have classes like art, Spanish, band, medical detectives, coding, dance, PE, and robotics.
So here we are at our final stop, the bus ramp. This is where students who ride the bus get dropped off in the mornings and picked up in the afternoons.
Our school hours are 8:45 to 3:45. The days may seem long, but 8th grade is here before you know it.
Yeah, I can hardly believe we're gonna be in high school next year.
We hope this quick tour has helped you become more familiar with your new school. You're going to like being at Ladies Island Middle School.
Go Cougars!